the Sportneer 2-pack folding chair, all right? It's up in here. It's for outdoors, camping, backpacking, going to the Himalayas.
From the Himalayas.
All that good stuff. I'm going to review it right now.
Chocolate gadgets.
What's up, guys? Chocolate Garrett's. Woo, Chocolate Garrett's. Damn. What's up, guys? Chocolate Garrett. What's up, guys? Chocolate Gadgets. I'm Gary Everett. Seriously? What's up, guys? Chocolate Garrett's. What's up, guys? Chocolate Gadgets. I'm Gary Everett, and I review stuff. In today's titillating and exciting episode, we are going to go over the Sportneer 2-pack. Oh, 2-pack. That's like how some people say Tupac. I ain't gonna say who. Anyway, portable folding chair, all right? And it's a chair for, you know, like I said, backpacking, outdoors. I'm finna go to the park. And guys, I will review anything. When I get something in from Amazon, I was just about to go to the park and I said, review. Somebody might want to see if this thing is any good, all right? So let's do an unboxing. Up in here, up in here.
Up in here, up in here.
I actually didn't open it already. It came like this. I guess the UPS guy was tired, wanted to have a little sit down, and bam. It's two of them here. I mean, you've seen one, you've seen them all. I'm not gonna go over the other one. And this right, oh wow, that's light. This is the whole chair in the plastic. All right, let's open it up. Open it up. This is the chair. So as you can see, it'll fit in a backpack or something. You can take it out, and if you need to have a sit down, if you want to go to the DMV or something in Jersey right about now, you can do it. So, okay, so right here there's a zipper. You open it, and this is the case or bag or whatever. And this is the actual factual right here. Guys, guess what? I'm not really gonna open it here. I'm actually gonna put it in my bag and I'm gonna go to the park because I'm about to ride my bike. And I'll show you out at the park how it actually works. So this is, you know, I just wanted to show you, you know, the usual unboxing, all right? So it comes with a rubber band, and you take these and you just kind of like set it up. But we're gonna do all this out at the park, all right? So that's, whoa, problem, okay. All right, so that's that. Let's put that rubber band back on it. Put it back on it. Put it back on it, bam, bam. Okay, so I think it was like this, right? Or was it like, okay, no, it was like, yeah, it was like this, I think. And some of these things, when you get them, they're all tight and compact, and they're easy to take out of the bag, but putting them back in the bag is the B word. So let's see. Uh-oh, come on. Okay. All right. So pass that test. Meetings. All right. That's it, players and playettes. Let's go to the park. So now that, you know, I'm back, and I did all that a couple of days ago. So if I look a little bit different, it's because I like trimmed and shaved and everything. Anyway, what's the verdict on this bad boy? All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say that it's good, it's nice, and it was comfortable. You lean back, all of that good stuff. However, if you look at the advertisement or the promo on Amazon, it says up to 350 pounds. Now, I don't know if they meant like 180 pounds each, something like that. I know my math is off, but it's a combination of for the two, because this joint felt a little rickety. Rickety rocket! Now that's old school. Some of y'all may not even know that, but it did feel a little rickety. It didn't feel necessarily like it was about to break, but it didn't feel like really hella strong either. So I'm gonna say that, you know, we'll see. You know what I'm saying? It didn't feel the strongest. So I'm gonna say, if you're like, because like I said, guys, if you're like 150 pounds, 165, 180 pounds, I say, if you're like me, I'm 6'3", y'all. I'm like, you know, I'm between 225, 240 on any given day. You understand what I'm saying? It felt a little, I'm trying to think. It didn't feel like crazy rickety, like super cheap. You know, it felt like it was holding me, but it felt like it was like, you know, you be at the gym and you be bench pressing. You know, some people are like, shh, and some people are like, it felt a little like that, like a little bit. I hope that makes sense. So it's good, but I mean, for what it is, it's good, you know. So I'm just gonna give it three chocolate bars, 2.5 to 3 chocolate bars, because it is great. It is small. It fit right in my backpack. You know what I'm saying? It did everything great. So if you lighten the ass, make it happen. If you're over 240, 250, if you're 250, I say keep looking. I say keep looking if you're 250. 250, 270, real big, I say keep looking. Get one of those joints that cost a lot more money. You know what I'm saying? Do that, all right? So anyway, Gary Janae, Chocolate Gadgets, and I'm out. And I'm gonna keep this bad boy with me. I like it. And if it breaks, I will do a video and cuss them out, all right? Peace, Chocolate Gadgets out.